Yo, what's going on, guys? All right, welcome back to learning a new trick every day. It's going to be a continuation of the series I just finished where I learned a new trick every day for a month. I was doing that, it was more shorter format, minute-long videos real quick. This is going to be a little more in detail, mixing up the tricks a lot more and just, talking about the process more in general. So today I'm going to be trying to learn how to Miller flip. Been skating transition for so long and I've never really been able to incorporate hand plants. I think I've done one like ever. So I feel like it's something if I focus at and get good at, I'll be able to just throw it in my line whenever I want. So that's the goal. Yeah, not really sure where to start with this trick, but let's see what we can do. So hard to just jump right into this at 8 a.m. All right, let's give it a serious attempt right here. Yeah, I don't know about this one. I feel like going higher up might be easier. Okay, yeah. That was actually kind of close. You really gotta just rip it back and have full confidence in that arm. Okay, sticking it right here. All right, it's been about a half hour of attempts. Haven't really made progress. Now I could basically get into it, but I'm just not dipping it down and continuing to turn my shoulders and committing. So I don't know if there's something I'm doing wrong or if I'm just not sticking it, but all right, let's stick it right here. Oh. Now I think it's just commitment issues. Oh, all right. Took my foot off at the last second. Ow. Am I drifting too far over or is that just how you do it? Oh, seal slide. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay, I think I got it now. Ow, nothing like some ramp burn. Ow. I keep telling myself, just stick it. You're like close to the ramp, you can't really slam hard. And every time I proceed to just slam into the ramp. Ow, trick is beating me up. Ow. Taking an absolute beating trying to learn this. I feel like that trick should not have been that hard. Of all the crazy tech tricks I've been learning recently, that one beat me up more than all the others. Just kept smashing my hand. Grip tape's kind of beating this hand up. Both hips got destroyed, but we got one though. Definitely could clean it up a little bit, but not gonna do that today. It was really interesting because I was getting better at the trick, but I would still have this fear. Like every couple of tries, I'd be scared to pop, and I'd be setting up, and I just couldn't pull the trigger on trying the trick, which never happens to me ever. So I think it's more of a hand plant thing, not being used to kind of being inverted, and putting that confidence in the arm, which also my left arm is a little sore in weird spots. Definitely some new muscles used there, but psyched, man. Hopefully one day I can lead the frontside inverts. It's like a dream trick for me, so we'll see. But that's it for today's video. Leave a comment, let me know what I should learn tomorrow. I'll see you guys then.